So tonight, I'm finna fry some chicken, and y'all can watch me from beginning to end. Let me set this camera up and get it in this area so y'all can see everything. Got seasoning salt, my black pepper, and my garlic powder, and my flour. Let's get into it, y'all. Hopefully I get this done and everything. I know how to fry some damn chicken, so hopefully I don't burn it. LOL, cause I ain't finna burn it. You know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, so I don't like that my head and everything. In the camera, you can't see it that much. Let's see about sitting it like this. It's better. It got all my ingredients right here, so yeah, it's all right. I'm gonna put some seasoning salt. And I'm not stingy with it, but I don't want my shit to be salty. So damn, that's a lot of seasoning salt. Hopefully the flour, I'm put a lot of flour, and hopefully it beat it down and make it feel like it ain't that much, okay? Some black pepper. Put my black pepper. Got that good old flour. Hopefully it tastes right. Let me mix it and find out. Mix it with the seasoning that I put in here. Let me close the bag up. Ziplock the bag back and then shake it up. Y'all see all that seasoning at the bottom? Yeah, it gotta get mixed up right. All the seasoning gotta get mixed up into this flour. Cause I don't want them to toss the chicken. Mix it up fine like Popeyes and churches do. This stuff come already battered. Not already battered, but mixed up like it's yellow flour. It's a red flour. It's some yellow flour and some white flour, my bad, not red. Red is the spicy stuff that come on the chicken already. It don't look like it's giving salty. It ain't gonna give salty. It's gonna give me fried chicken, but not salty. I need an egg out the refrigerator. Hold on. Get this egg. And the egg is gonna make my chicken crispy when I start frying it. Gotta get the bowl, put the egg in it. 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back. Didn't have to go far. I got a bowl right there. Let's make it do what it do. Oh shit. Okay. Oh. Damn, I dropped the egg. Something said that you finna drop this damn egg out this bag. And I did. Damn. Gotta get another egg. Gotta clean this shit up. Can't let this egg just sit on the floor like this. I'm handicapped, but I'm doing it. I'm not letting the fact that I'm handicapped stop me from doing shit. Some people handicapped and they can do stuff their family don't even know that they can do because they never did it in front of them. I figure I'm gonna let my sister know. She know I fried chicken. The nigga got mad at me for frying some chicken for me and my niece. But anyway, at least you know I can do for myself and I can live by myself in the house by myself. Cause she ain't here now. And for the last couple of days, it's been like this. Like she's trying to distance herself from me and make him feel like he won, he got her. Like, I don't know what it is, but it is what it is. He gonna always be a fuck nigga in my eyes, just know that. Once a fuck nigga, always a fuck nigga. As in, a nigga hit you one time, he'll hit you again. It's just gonna be not to speak it into existence, but it might be worse because you see what happened the last time. You went to jail, but she dropped the charges. What she went wrong at, she dropped the charges. Make him think, oh, yeah, oh, hold on. This is my friend Tony, y'all. Hold on.